So the San Francisco Bay Area is one of the most beautiful places in the world. Here in Nevada, we are fortunate to have acres and acres of tidal marshes, wetlands that are transitional areas between the open water and dry land. Healthy tidal marshes serve as the lungs of the bay, giving life to hundreds of fish and wildlife species and billions of small organisms that form the base of the food chain. There are many benefits of healthy tidal wetlands, including cleaner water, protection from global warming and sea level rise, habitats for sensitive species, and acres of open space providing the community with areas to hike, birdwatch, kayak, and just enjoy the beautiful scenery.
So the idea is to engage these members of the community as well as the families of the students, local organizations and businesses in the Hamilton and larger Novato area, and really to sponsor this artwork that can be installed at the site's nursery as well as along the public use Bay Trail fence. There's 2.7 miles of the Bay Trail that runs along the perimeter of the Hamilton Wetlands Restoration Site. And so the idea is to engage these students in creating this art and then to install it and to use community support from local organizations and businesses to help fund this artwork and help contribute to a beautification and these connections that are made to really support the project.
So my 5th grade class is fortunate to be working with acclaimed artist and zoologist Annie Rivetta to create public artwork for the Hamilton Nursery and the Bay Trail, depicting the indigenous species of the native wetlands around Novato. My student videographers will film this process and in addition interview members of the local community that have been instrumental in creating policy to physically restore these wetlands, one plant at a time. And the mini documentary hopefully will be showcased at the Hamilton Wetlands Plant Nursery and in the spring and also at Novato City Hall.
I'm a true believer in empowering young minds and young hands to actually be part of the active solution. And so it's really wonderful to bring the students to the nursery and have them do transplanting of these small seedlings into containers and then help with growing those plants larger and then coming out today in late winter to actually plant those plants into the ground. And so they're really able to participate in the full cycle of growing and planting plants for ecological restoration.
But the broader scope of our efforts is to bring community awareness to the restoration of these wetlands, and more importantly, an understanding of the intersection of biological and human-built networks and how we need to protect that fragile balance. My hope is when a person is walking or hiking or biking on the Bay Trail in our restored Hamilton wetlands, they will pause when they see the students' artwork. That short moment of reflection will inform them about the types of animals that live here. It will inspire them to help in their protection, and it will enlighten them to the undeniable fact that the health of the wetlands are directly linked to the quality of life that we all enjoy here.
The 5th grade class at Olive School is asking for your support for our project, Art Working in the Wetlands.
Your donation will help provide assistance from the artist and naturalist Annie Rivetta.
Your donation will help us buy supplies needed to create the public art on the Bay Trail. We appreciate you helping us become actively involved in making the Novato community a better place. Our artwork will encourage others to protect our wetlands.
So please consider our project.
Thank you from the 5th grade class of 2015 at Olive School.